Hey, welcome to Hands on High Tech. Hey, so yesterday I was up at some property we have and have some family up there that got a tractor stuck down over the edge of a bank and couldn't really get anything to pull it back up. So they came and I happened to be there at the time, and so I used my skid steer and pulled it back up. So enjoy this video and like and subscribe. So Recovery 101, Kubota SVL65-2.
Is that thing not at four-wheel drive? Keep going, keep going.